In the heart of Mao Khe, a region once scarred by the harsh realities of coal mining, a remarkable transformation has taken place. The air, once thick with pollutants, now breathes with a newfound clarity. The urban landscape, once marred by the scars of industrial activity, is slowly reclaiming its natural beauty. It is within this rejuvenating environment that the Greenery Curtain House HGAA emerges, a testament to the power of design to harmonize with nature and nurture the human spirit. Approaching the dwelling, one is met by a striking facade, a wall of red brick, a testament to the region's vernacular architecture, yet softened and enlivened by a lush curtain of greenery. This living vale, a symphony of shade trees, vibrant shrubs, and cascading creepers, provides a natural shield against the dust and noise of the bustling city beyond. It transforms the house into an oasis of tranquility, a secluded haven amidst the urban bustle. Within, the house unfolds around a central courtyard, a tranquil heart that anchors the living spaces. This inward-focused design creates a sense of peace and seclusion, a refuge from the external world. The spaces flow seamlessly around the courtyard, each one bathed in natural light and framed by verdant views. Every corner offers a glimpse of nature, a canopy of leaves, the shimmering surface of the fish pond, the vibrant hues of an aquarium. The materials employed in the house, red brick and bare concrete, speak of honesty and simplicity. These raw, earthy materials evoke a sense of connection to the land, a grounding presence that complements the lush greenery. They create a rustic, intimate atmosphere, inviting residents and visitors to slow down and savor the simple pleasures of life. The Greenery Curtain House HGAA is more than just a dwelling, it is a philosophy. It embodies the belief that true luxury lies in the harmonious coexistence of humans and nature. It demonstrates that even in the midst of an urbanizing world, it is possible to create spaces that nurture the soul, spaces where the rhythms of life are attuned to the rhythms of nature. It is a testament to the power of thoughtful design to transform not only the physical landscape but also the human experience. Through this project, the architects sought to challenge conventional notions of luxury, replacing opulent materials with the simple elegance of nature. They aimed to create a space that resonated with the human spirit, a place where the stresses of daily life could melt away, replaced by a sense of peace and tranquility. The Greenery Curtain House HGAA is a resounding success in this endeavor, a living testament to the enduring power of human ingenuity and the enduring beauty of nature.